just quickly go for that. So now today we are going to see the HAZID first. We are going to follow ADNOC corporate HSE practices and HSCRM ST03. And we will follow simply a simple flow chart to identify all the hazards with the help of guide words. And we will identify the sources of hazard. We will identify the consequences. And of course, we will do the risk assessment by providing the probability and severity. And of course, we will see the risk, and then we will identify the existing available safeguard. And if the risk is still higher, then we will take some credible risk reduction measures or recommendations so that we can bring it to the LRP level. I am very sure each of you have got this risk matrix. If you don't have, I request you to please take a snap. Please take a snap of this risk matrix, because we will be taking your help to take the correct probability and to take correct severity, so that we can do the optimum risk identification. And if the risk comes to the red zone, dark red zone or orange zone, this is unacceptable. As per the ADNOC risk matrix, we have to identify the RRM to bring it to the yellow zone, that means LRP zone, or widely acceptable zone, that is green zone. So guys, before going for the session, if you have any question, please let me know. What I have done, I have put all the points what was described by Sudeep here, so that this will come in the report. This is for package 1. And I'm very sure each of you have seen the terms of reference. So we are going to follow the terms of reference. We will follow the, corporate practices. And of course, we are going to see all the guide words. Although most of the guide words are not applicable for this project, because this is automation related, but we will see each and every guide word, and we will qualify whether this is applicable or not applicable, beginning from hydrocarbon, refined hydrocarbon, other flammable material, explosive material, pressure hazard, hazard associated with different heights, object under tension, dynamic situation, environmental situation, hot surfaces, hot fluid, cold surfaces, cold fluid, and electricity. I